So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now sitting at $107,000. It is exactly 107,712. And yesterday we talked about how $110,000 is an important area for it to go and capture. And if it is not able to close the second candle above it, then we would assume it is going to go down. The overall game plan that we played with Bitcoin, it kind of paid off. Technically, one candle closed above it, the second one did as well, but I didn't consider this first candle. I said that the next two candles I'll consider because there was something extremely wrong with it. The market was extremely manipulated, and that's why I didn't want us to go wrong, because otherwise we would have had two daily closings that would have confirmed now we are going to go towards 120, and on the third day, of course, it started crapping itself. So we are safe. We only had one candle closing, the second one didn't close. It actually went below, and of course the new day has started in red. So now Bitcoin again needs to make an attempt and close two daily candles above the area of $110,000. Only after that we can say that, okay, now Bitcoin has started its upward journey towards 120. If Bitcoin is not going towards 110 and closing two daily candles with the bodies above that area, then we can only expect it to be on a downward journey towards the area of 102,500, which is this area. That would be the drop that I would expect. Of course, it is a bit of a stretch. So far it has gone down only towards 107,300, but of course it's just the beginning, it's just a start. We can, if the downward journey has started, we will slowly start seeing Bitcoin going towards that area. There is a possibility that Bitcoin will react towards 105 as well. Not that it matters, but it can if it wants to. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin from the perspective of long-term story. If we look at Bitcoin from the perspective of short-term story, we discussed about this structure on 4 hour. We talked about this yesterday. We saw a double top structure and then it went down. We saw a double top structure and it went down. And yesterday I showed you this double top and it went down on it. Of course, I'll show you the yesterday's picture. This is today's picture. Where the hell is yesterday? You can actually go and watch the video as well. This was yesterday. The structure hadn't started bleeding, but I mean, it's a game of history. History repeats itself, and it did repeat itself. Even without this, we pretty much had confirmation of 110. If it doesn't close, we would expect it to go down, and it did go down. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you in next video. Bitcoin is very clear. We cannot have 120 if 110 is not captured. If it is not captured, the only direction Bitcoin has is to go down. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.